Hey everyone, in this short video I'm going to discuss how to access the Nearmap service to insert imagery into ArcMap. So if you don't know where the sign in for Nearmap is, just Google it, Nearmap, and look for the map browser. Uh, if you signed up for the service, you'll be using your geosyntax address and password. And then you'll get provided a dialog here where you can come in and I know I want to go to our UAV test site here. And I am going to, you could put it in an address too if you wanted. One thing we recommend to keep data down is just toggle to the roads view at first. And then if you have to manage, let's see, so this is Camino. You basically just do all the panning and zooming with the wheel with the roads on, and you'll be maximizing our data. So let me just find where this is. See, it's Camino del Sur, 4G road, so I know it's about right here. Now I can toggle the imagery back on, or vertical. So here it is. You have a timeline right here. I'm looking for the latest and greatest imagery. I can hit X here and then go to the export button. And then here you get like a little white window that'll allow you to crop out the area that you want to deal with. So in this case, I'm going to just kind of make a square around the UAV test area. All right, and you can see the resolution here. So export type, high resolution image, 98% of the time you're going to want geo-referenced image. And then under mapping projection, you would choose a NAT83 equivalent for US feet. So I know I want to be in California Zone 6. And then under resolution, there's different ways to reduce the quality of the image. This is in meters per pixel. So this is essentially saying that 7.5 centimeters is equating to, what is that? Just under 2 inches, 2 to 3 inches. So very good quality. When you're ready to download, you hit download. It'll download to the location. I've already done that. I have my image in a zip file. It has the coordinate system ID, the date on of the image, and then the lat long for, I think, the center point of whatever your crop area is, and then this shows the resolution of the pixels. So you right-click, extract, and then you get essentially a JPEG file that's at a reasonable size. That's another reason why downloading is good. And then this world file. So we need both these things to be able to use this in ArcMap and Civil 3D for that matter. So now I'll launch ArcMap. And this, the ArcGIS Pro is very similar if you're using that. So I've already created you can either go to My Templates and just create a blank map, or I've already created one that has the process started. So it's blank right now. One of the things we need to do next is to set the data frame. So we'll go to Properties, Data Frame, Coordinate System, and then go to Projected Coordinates, State Plane, NAT83 US foot, and then you'll scroll down to California Zone 6, NAT83 2011. You apply. So now that's set, and then all you have to do is just drag and drop this JPEG in there. And it's going to prompt you with a warning like, hey, we don't know what to do with this. That's fine. We'll have to manually set that, so we'll say OK. And then you go to this catalog button, and if you don't have that on, you can just go to View. I think where is that button? There you go. You can hit this button if it's not on. So just be aware that's how you get it. And now you have a catalog. And then under folder connections, you may have to connect to wherever you save the ortho, but your folder connection, I've just created one for my C drive. And then, this could be a server path if you wanted as well. I'm going to drill into where I have this thing saved. And then basically all you have to do is just highlight this ortho and right click and go to Properties. And you want to check that the coordinate system is specified. So right now the spatial reference is undefined, so you just need to go in and do the same thing. Projected coordinate systems, state plane, NAT 83, and then drill down to US feet, California zone 6. Say OK. This fills in all this information along with the linear unit. You say apply, and that's it. Now you could go in, if you're signed in, you can use ArcGIS Online or add data. So add base map. We could supplant this high-res imagery with imagery out of the box, the free stuff. And once that gets loaded, you can see how this image relates to the overall. There we go. It's taking a second. There we go. So this may just say something along the lines that, you know, this particular base map is based on WGS 84, so it did a conversion, so it's just warning you about that. But, you know, you could see that the imagery is much more resolute than the free stuff online. Seem to be having a server delay here at RB, but once this thing loads, you can see. It's thinking about something, sorry. I got too much stuff open. All right, whatever. I don't know, something's happened with that image, but you can see that the resolution is very tight. So you can do your own analysis, add layers, and have at it. Hope this information is helpful, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.